Hi, a very good day to everyone. To my lecturer, Puan Azrayo Abdul Aziz, and today we are going to present on BMC, Business Model Canvas, for our website, our business that is going to be Flavor Bakery. Okay, so this is myself, Kishan Rao, and alongside with my friend Darwin Danraj, and we're going to start with our BMC pitching. So I would like to give to Darwin to continue with it.
Okay, before I proceed to BMC, let me give a small intro. What is business? Okay, business is particularly rules this earth right now. We can see clearly many people are profiting from it as well as risking in it as well. So we need to have a clear picture, a clear plan so that we able to decrease the amount of risk and increase the amount of opportunity to earn profit. So let's hop into the BMC. So key partners. Okay, what are the key partners we are going to be in touch with for Flavor Bakery? Ingredient suppliers. As we can see, our bakery is based on pastries and so on. So we have to bake it and so on. So we clearly need to have a trustworthy ingredient suppliers, and we must be confident they're able to reach us and deliver it on time as well. And we also need shop maintenance, so we should need to be partnering with shop maintenance companies and so on. And business partners of Flavor Bakery. As we can see, we want to partner up with other online revenue streams that would pay like PayPal and Mastercard and so on, so that we able to give them more discounts, and as well as students able to enjoy it as well. As we can see, the situation in Polytechnic Ungku Omar is quite hectic and so on. So if we see on the bakery, why does it need to be placed inside Polytechnic Ungku Omar? Because the student needs for relaxing space is quite important, and we find that it's not so common place for anyone, so they are traveling so far from Polytechnic Unkoma. So why don't we create a space for them to enjoy and have a hangout together? It was the main idea from my perspective and Kishan as well. So Kishan will introduce more regarding key activities.
So yeah, key activities. Before that, going into the key activities, as the main issue also in Polytechnic in Koma is we will walk from our campuses or from outside for quite a long time. So for the next class, if there's any break, there is nowhere to for us to place in. So I think this is one of another reason also that from Darwin, I would like to say. And key activities is to make pastry from scratch. So that is the main thing, Pastry is our main objective of here to give them a good food, and not only pastry, there will be donuts and there will be all kind of pastries and some kind of drinks for them to enjoy. And we need to have dine-in, that is servings and all those kind of things. And next will be advertising. So these will be the key activities from us that we have to do. So next will be key resources that will take over by Darwin.
Okay, key resources. Okay, as we can see, we have to make pastry from scratch to produce a fresh pastry for our customers. So we need raw materials. That's the most important part and crucial part. And other than it, capital and assets. As we can see, we need some capital. So I hope that Polytechnic Unkoma will help to arrange capital and so on. And we find how to arrange capital as well. And assets. Why did we do partner up with business partners? As you can see, like Coca-Cola and so on. So they would be partnering up with us so that they provide fridge and we able to keep their products and sell their products with branding and so on in our cafe as well. And inventories, as we can see, raw materials would come in big bulk, so on. So we have to store them in somewhere. So we have to need to have inventories, and we're also planning to have some um, like our merchandise so that we're able to sell to exclusive customer of PUO so that they can show the branding of our cafe together with PUO as well. So we need a good inventories, and it is the key resources more important part in our business as well. So move on to value proposition to Kishan.
So value proposition, this is very important thing. Okay, first will be halal. Halal is the most important thing and the most important certificate on food business, to encourage or to give that belief or to give that confidence for our Muslim friends to enjoy the food, mainly, because halal is a very important topic or thing that is concerned in Islamic. And next, I would like to say is vegetarian friendly. Myself, I'm vegetarian, as we are planning to also cater food for vegetarian people. So there will be example. We are giving out vegan sandwiches and all those kind of things. These are very important, I think, because vegetarian students has to go out of the poly to get a good food. So this is for make sure they themselves has easy access to get something light for them to eat. And next is more plans on marketing. So marketing is a very important part for us to to spread out the word on this. So will have more plans on the marketing and better communication with customer. Uh, Bringing in customers is, I think, the key of a business. We have to keep the communication, the connection with the customers, because customers are the people who are giving us all kind of things, So that from there, and I would like to pass on next to customer relation to Darwin.
Okay, having an idea to begin a business might be wonderful, but we have to build a good relationship with customer because they are our most important part, and we have to maintain it with so much trust to them, and they should have a trust and confidence to come back to our cafe again and again. So to build it, we are going to use social media such as channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. So why do we choose this channel? As we can see, Instagram has been flooded with people, and you can see like hashtag PUO and so on. So clearly the students of that particular Polytechnic Ungku Oma would follow the hashtag to get know what is the trend. So running through campaigns in social media and so on together with hashtag would create a good opportunity to build a customer relationship and brand ourselves as well. And you can see we would use a business account so we can see how many people do view our stories and how many people does the story reach to and so on. So we know how do we need to more plan on marketing, as Kishan has said, on value proposition and promotion. So promotion is also a crucial part so that it makes attractive customers to attract them and come to our cafe and try it once at least. So we are planning to do it more on like Carnival, PUO, and so on, so that they're able to see the flyovers, then they're able to attend us, and we definitely gonna give some special exclusive discount for them so that they're able to taste our product like bagels, sandwich, and so on. And they would be coming again and again, and it would increase profit, and we can even succeed in this business as well. Customer feedback. Customer feedback, as we can see, we have social media and promotion as well, but it is not enough to search for what should we upgrade in our business. So we will definitely run through some surveys via Google Form and in Cafe as well, so that we know what are the things we need to upgrade. Maybe like we have a silent environment together with sounds, and it might be so peaceful and calm for them to do assignments and so on. But what are the needs of the students to make it more better environment? So we need to run through the survey. And I find it is more and more important to attract customers and fulfill their requirements so that they're able to attend and come into us. And now over to you, Kishan.
Yep. Now, based on customer segment, so as from customer feedback, we haven't done any customer feedback, but although we think that uh, our customer segment is mainly for all type of customers. First, let me go from down. It's all type of customers, and this is mainly for people who like pastries, and most importantly PO students, because it's going to be located in the PO environment, and people who loves to hang out, because we are also creating an environment for them to hang out, for them to catch up and all those kind of things, and people who wants to chill and have and relax environment. People have students are going to have an hectic class, and they want and space that will be an cooling or chill for them to relax and all those kind of things. And I think when we have all these kind of requirement, these are the people and customers, I think then only we would able to succeed or bring on to the next level of this business. And even uh, students who are going or rushing to classes without eating anything, because eating without eating and going to classes is very bad, and they can't really concentrate, so they can quickly grab something. So these kind of things are the customer segments. And for the cost structure, this is one of the most important thing, and I would like to pass on to Darwin.
Okay, as we can see on customer segments, we have said that our main target it is students and so on. But we also can attract lecturers who would be rushing into the classes and so on. So they also have to enjoy this. And Clark as well, who are working in PO and so on. So this cafe has to be a good spot for them to come in and try. So that we have to use some extra cost in structuring our business, so that they don't need to travel so far by grabbing a Grab, need to spend for a Grab, then go and finding a spot extra and paying extra in there. So we have to put on some extra costs. Let's see what are the costs. Example, marketing costs. As I have said, we are going to run through advertisement. So advertisement, we have to pay for Instagram and so on. So based on the packages, we have to find a good package, and it would cost us. And in Facebook as well. And PO e-magazine, we are going to do it in PO as well, so that they're able to find it. It is a strong business we are running through, and it is so tasty products, and they have to come into. And you can see we are going to do it with bloggers. PO has been a great spot for students for built-in technology. There has been more like open type who would try foods and so on. So why don't we introduce some new bloggers into our Polytechnic Ungku Omar, and we build a good relationship with them, and we pay them as well for visiting our cafe, and we provide some free foods as well. So it is under marketing costs and administration costs. We have built a website and so on. So it would cost us, and we need a good IT handling team together with cybersecurity team, so that they would be finding us if online transaction occur, a hacker wants to get into and wants to bankrupt our business and so on. It shouldn't happen overnight. That's the reason for us to have an administration team to cover up the cost. So we will be providing them and hire them to maintain our website. And operation, as you can see, we are operating based on PS3s, and we have to buy some assets as well and so on. So operation cost, we have to buy raw materials and so on. It is more like we have to buy on machines and so on. So to operate, we need that cost, and we have to ensure quality in it so that we can able to provide the service without any interference, and the machines and so on should be working um, in quality and non-stop manner as well. Now over to you, Kishan. For revenue streams, revenue plays an important role, as you can see. The main business aim is to get and revenue and produce a good higher quality business first of all, and Kishan Rao would take it on.
So, revenue. So we have done everything, and finally we are coming to revenue. So we know the end product of everything is revenue, because for us to give in quality product, we do need an revenue. So from here, how is our revenues stream? For now, we have three main that will be cash, online, and card. So as everyone knows, basic is cash. Online is as we have an website, they can book there and pay online, and even card, they can use card and swipe in and all. But we are also trying to bring in like e-payment, example Grab, Touch and Go, and all those kind of thing. We are having and trying to have a collaboration with Touch and Go and all those kind of thing to make an easier way for them to pay. So for everyone, let it be students, let it be lecturers, let it be the staff, it'll be way more easier, and we can also promote in cashless payment in all this. I think we have some on this business, that is Flavor Bakery, into a business model canvas in very proper and detailed way. So thank you so much, that I would like to tell in behalf of the team, myself, Kishan, and Darwin Danraj. Thank you.